Apologize for Mr. Bernard for not making my video resume on time. I have planned to go to La Union for my Christmas vacation and to visit my mom. But before that, I went to Tarlac with my classmate to visit his hometown. And we have planned to do our video resume as soon as we get there. We googled an example of video resume and we gathered the information, and after that, we made our own script. We are ready to do our video resume, but my mom is asking me to go home because she was worried about me. So I decided to go home early in the morning. Because of that, I wasn't able to do my video resume. I said to myself that I will just do my video resume as soon as I get there. But when I got there, no one has a digicam, even my friends and my cousins. I stayed there until January 6th. That's why I didn't have the opportunity to do it. Hi, my name is Eden Vidal of Taguig City. I'm already 18 and I am the only child of Abelardo and Jean Vidal. I am no longer living with my parents. Currently, I am completing my sophomore year at my beloved school, University of Makati, where I am studying a ladderized course, Associate in Contact Center Services, leading to Organizational Communication. Currently, I am on my on-the-job training stage. I am a trainee in PhilHealth Care located at Ayala Avenue. For me, my experiences there are great and I have learned many things. I have a strong planning and organizational skills, and of course, since my course is Associate in Contact Center Services, I have a good communication skills. I am the type of person who is hardworking and easy to train, and I am dedicated and determined. My ideal job is a position where I feel I am contributing and being productive, and where I would be learning new things about my job. With my dedication and with my determination, I hope to see myself as a successful woman 5 years from now. I believe that with hiring me as one of your agents will benefit your company, and also I believe that with my education and with my desire to grow more professionally will make me a qualified agent for your company. Thank you for viewing my profile. I hope to speak with you personally in the near future.